How to create user accounts in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can create user accounts in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up settings in your Windows 11. For that, you can simply click on search icon and here in the search bar type in settings and click on it. So once you land in your settings page, head towards your left hand side. From there, you have to click on accounts. And once you get to your account page, scroll down a bit and under account settings, you have to click on other users. Now, once you get to this kind of interface, there you have an option as add account. You have to click on it. Now, you can create your account either using the Microsoft account or just the simple, normal, local account. If you link your Microsoft account, you will have access to all the Microsoft features. So for that, you have to enter your email or phone. But if you want to create a normal local account which is based on your computer, then click on I don't have this person sign in information. And here click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Now you can create your local account. Here you have to type in the username. Under that, you have to type in the password and re-enter it for the security. After that, click on next and you will have to fill up all the necessary information that is asked you. So follow all the instructions carefully. After that, click on next, and with that, you will have your local account created in your Windows 11 and you will see the account right on this tab. So in this way, you can create user account in Windows 11, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.